Yo, what's up, everybody? We're back here on the channel. All you YouTubers, if you don't know, we've been assembling the motor for Jerry's Fox, doing almost a whole rebuild on it, on the top end, putting on new gaskets, heads, intake cam, everything, all trick flow. And I'm going to show you where I'm at. So let's get to it. Alright, we got the motor right here. Stock short block. About to put the heads on here in a minute. But I got the water pump on. Timing chain on new gaskets. We got the new hardware from LMR, the water pump timing cover kit, and I think these are Felpro 1011-2 head gaskets that are pretty decent. I had them on my old Fox turboed. Where's it at? Yeah, I think that's what they are. They're pretty decent, heavy duty Felpro gasket. Got the head studs in. You show what the bare block looks like. Yeah, the motor doesn't look too bad. All new Ford Racing lifters. And with the stud kit, gives you a sweet little diagram from LMR. This is the cam we're running in it. Came with the trick flow top end kit. Trick flow. Pretty awesome kit. We're running the Twisted Wedge 170 aluminum heads. Right there. Going with all the stud mount. And the stud mount rockers. Look how nice these things look. Rollers. New trick flow push rods are going in. It's looking pretty sweet right now. We got the block painted black right now. So let's put these heads on real quick. Get a better view. Show you what they look like. These things are definitely way lighter than the factory. I mean, you figured they would be. They're aluminum. Having some trouble getting them on. There we go. Beefed up runners. Look how big they are. Look how big they are. And you got the stock ones. Wow, these things look pretty on there. Let's take a look at the valves. Look how big them valves are. see if we can do like a side-by-side comparison. A little bit bigger. But there you have it. Putting together the motor, new everything. Head studs, heads, all gaskets, water pump, timing chain cover, everything. Next time you see it, it's going to be all together. So hope you guys keep watching. Keep hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. Glad to show you guys what's going on. Till next time, peace.